We are in Eminence, Kentucky for our very first Viking Fest.
There are going to be Vikings.
Vikings everywhere!
Happy to be at the Finrod Viking Festival.
Glad to be
Inaugural year.
Really?
Oh yeah, this is the first year for this.
It's the first year for the Viking Festival in Kentucky, but it's been going on in Scandinavian countries forever.
Winner round one!
History buffs, reenactors, locals, they just love the heritage of the Vikings.
Cast that in aluminum yesterday.
We're Jim and Vanessa. Thanks for taking the off-ramp to adventure.
Come across bridge, my fair lady.
Do you hear the noise? The
Oh
drums?
man, it is awesome, isn't it?
It is.
We don't know what to expect, but we hear a lot of people shouting and yelling, and we're assuming there's knights attacking each other or something. It's gonna be awesome. Okay, what's that on the roof? Looks like a dead guy. This promises to be fun. This side looks like a castle. This is it. Valhalla's Horde. That's an interesting title. So what is Feywood? It's a grove?
It's a fairies grove.
A fairies grove.
I guess.
Okay, well, that's what we're here for. The medieval thing. Honestly, I'd kind of like to see a fairy. I wonder what this is. Got the little... Is there something I'm missing in lore or something?
No, here, I'll show you. Is that going against my heart?
Oh, I guess it is. It looks like it's going against your heart. It's hard to tell with that shadow. So, what do you think it means? Explain it.
I have no idea.
Cinderella, the carriage awaits. it's kind of, it's a bit tiny, but why don't you show them exactly how small this thing is?
Yeah, I can get in there.
Yeah, we have to shrink her down a little bit.
It's too cute. Look at this.
That is awesome.
That is definitely a tiny house.
Well, that's like the old gypsy kind of caravan thing, isn't it? It's got
actually,
looks like it's got a Nordic symbol on it, though.
it's actually on wheels.
It's on wheels. So
Yeah, you can see it's on a trailer.
well, I don't think they had that back in the Nordic times, but just saying.
Well, there's some.
That is cool. Wonder what it looks like inside. Wonder if it's open. Do we dare? I can't promise you we'll see dragons once we get inside, so this may have to do.
Okay.
Just tripped over a big old root. It says this is the way back to town. Like I said, this is our first time here, so we're not sure what to expect. We're taking you through the fun stuff, and of course we're going to get to the Renaissance kind of stuff that's happening too. Hang on, it's going to get, I just have a feeling this is going to be a really fun video. Are you doing that with a rope? That is neat. Parents, you can make these just as good. You can buy them. It'd be easier to make that way. Oh, I like this. Looks like a tree house. Wonder what I guess it's some kind of shop inside. This is hilarious. I thought this lady was real. Now I just walked in and like, she's not real.
That's why we leave her there. That makes sense.
Okay, this guy's not having a good day. This is what's inside the tree house. I like this cup. I'm done adulting. Let's be dragons.
Vikings get thirsty too.
I can do it!
All kinds of medieval Renaissance characters milling about. Just make this place really cool. Loving the crocheted octopus.
Thank you. It's my baby kraken.
Oh, it's a kraken. Gotta say it with a Scottish accent, right?
There you go.
I'm losing Vanessa. You're really liking this, aren't you?
I really like this.
Look at that. Some kind of glass work. That is awesome. Love your guys' makeup. Who does this?
Thank you. I actually did it.
Really?
Yeah.
She's
Look,
talented.
you look like some kin to Alice Cooper.
Welcome to my nightmare. So
Oh, that actually might have been the inspiration for it now that I think about it.
possibly, I just told her to like surprise me. So
Yeah.
she's really good. And then we've got our other friend Valerie, who's doing makeup around the side too as well, and she's very talented.
These people are all so friendly here. You would think they'd be a little crusty, but they're actually really nice. Oh, another dragon. This is one of those crustier characters I was talking about. We hear someone blowing a horn that sounds like it's literally from like a ram's horn. Not sure what's going on, but we are curious.
He doesn't have any right now.
Come to find out that horn was blown back in the time for war. Right now it's just to bring you to the shop and maybe get a horn.
I didn't fit.
I hear a band.
I do.
I wonder if they're dressed up in like Renaissance fair costumes and stuff. You think they would really have to do the classic hits? People in costume are really making this Viking thing fun. Ooh, I want to cook stew over an open fire like this. Oh, I like this. Nothing else with the building. I had no idea what was going on. Man, it's a cool building. Characters everywhere.
Ooh, they're gonna have the horse thing.
The jousting.
Yeah, I don't know if it's in here.
Come to find out, this is where everybody's giving their libations, if you know what I mean. At least some of them, anyway. Hello.
Hi. We're beating bees, sorry. Bee beaten.
Dang bees. Hey, what do you say we check out the axe throwing and see how good these medieval people are?
Sounds good to me.
Great throwing, man. Good job. He is covered in tattoos. He has Viking tattoos everywhere, I swear.
Do not want to make that guy mad. This sounds a little ominous. You know, if it weren't for the electric fan, this would look really like a slice out of history. This is an interesting statement. They've got all these events like axe throwing and knife throwing, spear throwing. You notice I'm not doing any? There's a reason. I think this is the medieval version of the Adirondack chair. Just saying. They had to be comfortable back then too. Had to add the cross back then. $125 each. It's not bad. So many interesting little vendors. here. This is a lot of burlap. And evidently skulls. It looks so medieval. Just really fits. It just fits. This is what they call the Swordmaster's Challenge. Here's the challenge.
Got you!
Right in the chest.
Looks like good, fun, wholesome family entertainment.
Huzzah to the victor! Y'all have fun?
It's really interesting when these are the people in front of you. This must be what medieval fast food looked like. The lines, people in their pelts and crowns and swords. You just don't see this kind of clothing and hairdos every day. This is what's kind of funny because we've got like 5 minutes before the jousting starts. We've got 6 minutes before the pretzels are back. What do we do?
You go to jousting and I'll bring the pretzels later.
Okay.
That'll work.
How are we today?
All right, how are you?
Doing well, doing well. Happy to be at the Fenrir Viking Festival.
Glad to be here.
Inaugural year.
Really?
Oh yeah, this is the first year for this. This is the first year that they've opened the grounds this weekend to do a specific Viking festival on the grounds.
Wow,
So
interesting.
there's the performance troupe Altheiden Vikings. They're performing in the summer. They have their Viking Longhouse. They're kind of our Viking hosts.
Ah.
So, and I'm in the band Hexen. They brought us in to play Viking music for everyone.
Ah.
So we are here today for the third day of the Fenrir Viking Festival.
Back at the building, it looks like a barn. They've got some kind of show going on, but it's just jam-packed. I don't think I can get in there. Sounds like traditional Viking songs. There's a bit of a crowd assembled ready for the jousting. I don't see any signs of any horses or things like that, so I'm in time for the archery show. They're arching already. Unfortunately, though we got to see the archery competition, jousting had happened the day before, which means we're getting to the Viking Fair earlier next year, if it's back next year.
You watch me violently taking those out of the target.
Thanks for watching. Click the subscribe button and notification bell to follow our adventures and know when we publish a new video. If you liked this video, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and tell your friends about us. And remember, adventure is as close as the next stop friend.
Now she can knight me. Look at this dragon.
Double-handed sword.
Double-handed sword. Is it that heavy?
No, it isn't.
No? Good.
The shields are all gone.
Shields. Short sword, $10. That one's, I would rather have the $30 sword. Look at this, crossbow things. Hey. Can I have one?
Sure.
The things I'm gonna aim at. Oh, not that bee. Wow, perfect timing.